Tellin, they don't want smoke. Talk real slick till the vibe get choked. Be so loud, can't hear no jokes. Say it with your chest or you might get ghost. I'm a Tellin, this not your lane. Drip too cold, might freeze your chain. War outside, better guard your brain. I said it once, won't say it again. I seen too much, can unsee that. Turn pain into power, believe that. When the horns come in, better lean back. Whole room shake when I breathe facts. I don't rap for the clout, I deliver. Voice like steel and the flow like a river. Look in my eyes, that's hunger and shiver. Every bar sliced like a cold edge sliver. I'm a Tellin, they don't want smoke. Talk real slick till the vibe get choked. Be so loud, can't hear no jokes. Say it with your chest or you might get ghost. I'm a Tellin, this not your lane. Drip too cold, might freeze your chain. War outside, better guard your brain. I said it once, won't say it again. No gimmicks, no lie, no props. Just work, just grit, just plots. If I said it, I meant it, it drops. And the beat don't breathe when it knocks. Lights go down, they hush, I rise. Voice of the street with the look in my eyes. I was born for the war, not a piece of the pie. So I'ma tell you now, don't try, I'ma tell you. It's my lane. I break rules, I don't play games. Stack my wings like a razor chain. Say my name, respect that fame. I'm telling you, last time I speak. Next time ain't no time to retreat. I wore no soft, now I'm bringing that heat. It's written in brass, this beat ain't weak. I'm a Tellin.